Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you what a blown shock looks like. I just replaced these. I'm pretty sure these are originals for my Silverado that I've known of because I got it used, so I don't know. They're kind of rough looking on the outside, but as you can see, this one doesn't go back out. The other one doesn't go back out either, but that's what it's supposed to look like, completely extended right there, and that's what that one is. And I could push on this. It'll go down and will not go back up. Looks exactly like that. This truck just rolled over 83,000 miles and it's 16 years old. So these rubbers are kind of messed up too, but like these things will not spring back out at all like they're supposed to. You can kind of hear the fluid in there bouncing around. And the new ones will come back out nice and slow, but these ones are just like completely gone. See, that's how big it's supposed to be, but and it feels like there's like a lot more air in there than there should be. So those ones are toast. I changed them out. Got them from AutoZone for $27.99 a piece. So in the end, it was like 60 bucks and some change. They got lifetime warranties on them, so when these ones go bad, I'll go on there and get free ones. Really rough. So that's pretty much how you know if your shock's broke. It doesn't spring back out, and this thing's just like you're riding on metal. And now my truck don't bounce like it used to. Get back here, it used to bounce like really bad. Now as soon as you jump on it, it goes right back up and stays. So, well, that's how you tell the difference between a bad shock and a good shock. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. They're pretty cheap, like I said, like 27 bucks or whatever a piece. So, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.